Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert a timeline or timeline chart to your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to Google Drawings, start a new file or document in the top left, select new, then drawing. And here guys, what you want to do is click into insert, navigate to diagram and then choose timeline. Choose one of these options here. You can customize the dates and color, for instance. I will leave it at that standard because you can customize each one of these. So click into it and then you will see the default timeline here. So what you want to do is, for example, highlight it and then resize it, move it to the left. And now let's assume, for instance, you would like to add more steps to your timeline. Highlight the given one, copy it, paste it, and add it to your timeline here, so that it aligns with your timeline. And now you can of course customize these text boxes, like the year here, the content of the given stage or step of the timeline, like I don't know, stage 5 or something like that. Describe it below. You can resize these text boxes. You can add more text boxes of course as well. Then guys, you can customize also the color of each step, for instance by navigating to the format options. And then, for instance, add a drop shadow here, or you may choose the fill color, the border color here, the border weight, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.